Hello, friends. Today we will witness the most breathtaking and shocking moments in traffic accidents. From reckless drivers causing tragic accidents to unexpected situations caused by cars losing control or disregarding traffic signs. Together we will analyze each situation to learn valuable lessons for ourselves. Buckle up and let's get started. The car was moving normally, but wait, a bicycle jumped out from the curb. Oh my God, right in front of the car. The driver was startled and suddenly braked. Only a few centimeters left until disaster occurred. A very dangerous situation. This SUV seems to be moving normally, but wait, it lost control. Oh no. High speed on the highway, and here it is. The car in front suddenly braked suddenly. The car behind couldn't handle it. Collision history. A girl riding a motorbike is slowly crossing the street. But oh no! A motorbike came from behind. There was no time to avoid it. The collision was so strong, both fell on the road. The car is moving on the road, but wait. Looks like the driver lost control. The car started to swerve and lose control. Oh no! Up ahead is a truck parked on the side. Two cars confront each other. No one wants to give way. But wait! The red car suddenly sped up. Oh my God! He rushed straight into the car in front. Two young men riding motorbikes at extremely high speed. They zigzag, overtake carelessly. But oh no. Ahead was a car turning. A head-on collision. A car is coming out of the alley. But wait, the driver did not pay close attention. A car going straight ahead crashed head-on into the side of the car. The car completely swerved into the opposite lane. But oh no, ahead is a cyclist. The distance is too close. The cyclist abandoned the bike in the middle of the road and ran away. A motorcyclist is crossing the street. He doesn't look forward or backward. There's a car coming from behind. A powerful hit from behind. The motorbike was thrown away. Something's wrong. Oh my God. A wheel suddenly left the axle and rolled wildly on the road. The car drove away at unusual speed. But wait, this driver doesn't seem to be alert. Oh no, he lost control and crashed into a car in front. Not stopping yet. Another hit, and then another strong impact. This can be a consequence of using banned substances while driving. The truck is turning left, but wait, a car came at extremely high speed. Oh my God, he just ran a red light. A direct hit into the truck body. Debris scattered. The car in front is coming. Looks like the driver can't control the steering wheel. Oh no, up ahead is a motorcyclist. Too dangerous. The car was going at high speed. Oh no! The car crashed straight into the median. The shot is too powerful. The car rotated several times right on the road, and it collided with a car in front. A three-wheeled vehicle suddenly rushed forward at high speed. Oh no, he didn't slow down at all. A direct hit to the side of the car. The truck is moving on the road, but wait, it started to encroach into the next lane, but the driver didn't seem to notice. Oh no, a car going in the same direction is right next to you. A very strong collision. The car was pressed too close, lost control, and almost crashed into the median. The motorcyclist is about to cross the road. He didn't observe closely. In the distance, a car is approaching at high speed. No, a direct hit. The motorbike flew far away. Thank you for watching the video until the end. The situations in the video have helped us learn valuable lessons about traffic safety. If you feel the video is helpful, click like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss the next useful videos. See you in upcoming videos.